Hi everyone, welcome to another recipe. So this is the recipe to prepare some coconut laddu, or you can also call it fat bomb. So this is a quick and also a simple recipe to prepare. So let's begin with it. So place a vessel on the gas and heat some water. I'm going to use half a cup of water. And once the water becomes hot, I'm going to add some cardamom powder. After which I'm going to add some fat powder, around 2 tablespoons of fat powder. So all the ingredients that I have used in this recipe I have mentioned down below in the description box for your reference. I have also provided a link so you can click on the link and make a purchase. So give it a nice good stir. Mix it well. So now that it's mixed well, I'm going to add some stevia powder. I'm going to add some strands of saffron, which will add to the flavor and taste of this. So let the saffron soak in this warm mixture since now the flame is put off. So I've taken a kadai and I'm going to add some ghee in this. Once it's hot, I'm going to add the coconut in this. I've used fresh desiccated coconut. All the quantity and the ingredients are mentioned down below in the description box, so you can refer to it. So give this a nice good mix. Let the flame be on medium heat and keep mixing it, stirring it continuously. After some time, I'm going to add this liquid that I prepared and give it a nice good mix. This will make this moist and also help in the binding when we are preparing these laddus. So let it be on medium heat, medium to low heat, and keep mixing it continuously. Let the coconut get slightly roasted. So once it's done, just put the flame off and let it cool down for some time. So once it cools down, I'm going to add some almond powder. This is coarsely ground almond powder. And once it's nice and thick, we're going to make some nice good fat bomb, or you can call it coconut laddu. So once it's done, we are going to refrigerate it for almost 2 to 3 hours so that it becomes hard and it nicely solidifies. So once it is refrigerated, it's ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed watching this quick and easy recipe of mine, and do try this out and let me know how you liked it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more such similar recipes on my channel.